How to use keyframes in VN. First of all, open the app on your device and select the project you want to edit. Once your project is open, tap on the video clip or photo where you want to apply the effect. Above the clip, you will see several options along with the keyframe icon, which is diamond shaped with the plus sign. Tap on it to add your first keyframe. Next, move the playhead to a different point in the timeline and make changes, such as adjusting position, scale, or rotation. VN will automatically add a new keyframe and create a smooth animation between the two keyframes. You can continue adding more keyframes to create complex animations. For example, you can zoom in slowly, move an object across the screen, or rotate it to make your video more dynamic. If you want to delete any keyframe, tap on it and select the keyframe with the minus icon. Using keyframes gives you full control over motion and animations, helping you create professional-looking edits without much effort. Now you know how to use keyframes in VN. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.